Hey, boys and girls, this is an Elephant and Piggy book. There is a bird on your head, and it is by one of my favorite authors, Mo Willems. There's a bird on your head. There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They're lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds in a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Bye! Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. They moved to his head. There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems. I hope you loved it.